Alrighty. Okay, so 2014 Audi A4 came in, got a water pump leak. I had to take the throttle body off to get a good look. I don't know if you guys can see all that, but it's just right in there. It's leaking out of the thermostat here. But I just wanted to show you guys before I dig into it. So found the leak. We're just starting. Once I get to a point where you can see the pump clearly, I'll jump back on. So cool. So we got everything out of the way. You can see the water pump, all this right here. Looks like it was leaking from here. I seen it. There's a hole in the actual pump about right there. So it looks like 2 bolts, 3 bolts, 4 bolts, 5 bolts off, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's one here, one here, one here. There's a cover with a little belt on. I got to slide that off and then it comes off. So Audi A4 water pump. We'll go ahead and come back when I got the new one put in. So guess who's back? All right, so we got the new one in. Had to put this little belt on. Pretty tough. Goes around a little crank. But yeah, it looks like it's in. I've never done one of these. There's a little crossover pipe right there. You need to make sure you get in there. But yeah, I'm gonna put everything back together and get it running, wash it down, and we'll get you a nice shot of it when it's all cleaned up and back together. So all right, got her running, got her all bled up, ready to go. Got it all put together. Everything's plugged in, running good. You know, not too bad. It pays 4.5 hours. It probably took me a solid hour. I had another vehicle that I was working on in between, so that's how we do it. But yeah, not too bad at all. So all right, 2 laps.